Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all the love. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is what your future self wants you to know. Future self messages, some encouraging messages from your future self. Okay, so yeah, so that's going to be the reading. And remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates to you and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have three crystals over here, or you can go by one, two, three as you like. Okay. So the crystals is like group number one. I have tiger eye crystal. For group number 2, it's green aventurine. And for group number 3, it's carnelian. Okay, close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and then choose a crystal or a pile. Okay, so meditate, let go of the worry, don't think anything, and just connect with yourself and select a crystal. Okay, so take your time. If you want more time, please pause the video. Okay, I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group 1, if you chose this tiger eye crystal, then this is your reading with me. So what your future self wants you to know, some encouraging messages from your future self. Okay, so let's see. With this tiger eye, feel protection. So if you're safe, guys. So yeah, if you're worried about your protection, your future self is saying to you that everything is going to be okay, don't worry too much. Okay, so you're protected, you're guarded by your spirit guides, everything is okay. I'm feeling that vibe. Okay, oh, we have higher learning. Okay, you have learned from experience. More inner study is now required for further progress. Okay, so for many of you, you have been going through some sort of lessons. I feel like that you have been learning too much. You have been doing shadow work. Okay, so your future self is letting you know that there is more to come. Okay, there is more to learn. So for many of you, it can be the inner work that you're doing, and you might be connecting your past to your present, right? Sometimes we don't know why things happened in the past. Now you're getting a clear idea why things happened. So you are like connecting the dots right now, but you don't have the full answer. But in the future you will be having the full answer. That is what I feel like. Okay, you might be getting a lot of signs, you might be seeing numbers and all. I feel like that, and your future self is saying that just take a note on that, because these are the signs from the universe, and they are trying to say something to you, right? If you see a number constantly, just go and google it. Okay, if you're seeing some birds or animals constant every time you see that, just go and take a look. Maybe there is a message for you, guys. Okay, so just dig deeper. I'm getting that, dig deeper. If you see something, if you feel like, yeah, this is, I have to search, just go for it. And I feel like your intuition is very strong here. Maybe your future self wants you to know that it's time to listen to your intuition, it's time to listen to your body, it's time to go inwards also. I'm getting the hermit type energy also, where it's important to learn things, it's important to do research. If you want to do research, if you want to know something, just go for it. Okay, just go, we have Google, right? So yeah, we can go for it. Or maybe you can like research some books and just read the book if you want to. Okay, for others of you, I feel yeah, you're gonna learn more. Maybe you will be doing like a PhD or something. You're not gonna stop. In the future you will be learning more, so just keep on working on yourself. If you want to do a thesis or something like that, I feel like you will be doing good. You have so much to give to this world. For many of you, it's your own wisdom that you have to give to this world. So remember, you're very wise people. Your future self wants you to know that you're very wise people, and this wisdom, this knowledge that you're doing right now. So for many of you, you might be like, why I have to learn so much? Or why, if you are reading, or if you're like in a phase where you have to learn so much, where you have to like study, where you have to be self-disciplined, and you're like, why my friends are going out, or they are having a fun time, but here I am learning things. So your future self wants you to know that this will pay off, you know. If you're working on something, if you're researching, if you're learning, and if you can't go out, if right now I feel like you're very disciplined, so your future self is like, just do this, just do this, because your knowledge, your awareness, your wisdom will help you in the future. Okay, this will, your hard work will pay off. That is what I feel like. Okay, because your teachers, I feel like that, you know teachers, it's not necessary that you have to be professors or teachers in school. You can be teachers, so many types of teachers are there, right? You can be any one of them, spirituality, you know, spiritual teachers, or maybe just giving guidance to other people, to maybe you can be a teacher to your family members, you know, giving wisdom to that. You can be anything in any form, right? Okay, so that is what I feel with that. Okay, just research Merkaba, I'm getting that. Okay, I don't know about it, so maybe there is a message for you, I don't know. Maybe geometrical signs are important, symbols are very important for you, or maybe you're activating something like spiritually. I'm getting the spiritual growth. You're finding your own wisdom, you're finding your own light. For many of you, you were like thinking, what is my talent? Finally your future self is saying, in the future you will not be thinking about it, you will know about it, you know, that what is your talent. You will be following that path, I am getting. So if you're digging deeper, just dig it, you know. If you're learning something, just go for it, because your knowledge, your awareness, your wisdom will pay off, okay, in the future. That is what I feel. You're very wise people, you have so much more to learn. I feel like that you have so much wisdom, and you will be giving this wisdom to other people. Okay, so if you sometimes, you know, when we are always learning, we feel like that, like we are missing out on things or something like that. Maybe you are studying for many hours and sitting in your room, and you're like feeling like, I'm missing out on something. No, you know, your knowledge will pay out in the end. Okay, that is what your future self wants you to know. Okay, so let's see. So just keep on working. I'm getting this, you're on the right path. Keep on working what you're working, because it will work eventually. So don't stress about it. Maybe you are like, oh, whether I will fail that or something like that. If you're going through your mind, if you're preparing for an exam or something like that, don't do that. Just believe in yourself. It's the time to believe. Okay, maybe in the future you will be telling your story to other people. You might be encouraging other people through your story. Okay, so let's see what your future self wants you to know. Okay, oh, Page of Swords. Okay, some messages are definitely coming your way with this Page of Swords. And Page of Swords is very intelligent, right? Yes, your future self wants you to know that you're very intelligent people, you're very logical people. Okay, yeah, and for some of you there is a message coming, I feel like that, through social media or through online. Maybe if you're waiting for some messages, I see that your future self is saying, yeah, it will come, don't worry. Like that. And you are intelligent. Just, yeah, it's like this Page of Swords, it's about learning, it's about learning something. You know, it's about researching, it's about if you have some documents, just clear that documents. Yeah, if you have some documents to do right now, if you have to sign that paper or something like that, just go for it and do it. And when you are signing contracts, just be clear about it. Just, that is also important here. Yeah, but definitely something related to online also. If you're working online, maybe that will take off. I'm getting that also. But definitely it's all about digging deeper, learning, researching something. Just go and just do it, guys. Everything is okay. You're protected. You'll be okay. That is what I feel like. Your future self is saying, yeah, go for it, don't worry, everything is working for you. Okay, so let's see what else. For my group number 1, what your future self wants you to know. Oh, 10 of Wands. Yes, you will get there. You will get there. Be resilient, be determined. You will get there. Don't give up. That is what I feel like it. You know. And with this image, this is my new cards. Okay, this is the Black Cat Tarot. Okay, so yeah. um, yeah, you know, there's so many light, so much light. Yes, I with this 10 of wands, that is what I feel like. You will get there. Be resilient, be determined, just keep on focusing on your work. Don't try to give up because this is working. Okay, you have so much to offer to the world. Like, I'm just getting like this the vision where you will be standing in front of many people and sharing your story or writing your story or something like that. That is what your future self wants you to know. Yeah, keep on working, keep on sharpening your gifts. That is what I feel like. Look, four of, and because there will be a time where you'll be celebrating your success. Okay, so it's time, so your future self is encouraging you to keep on doing the work you're doing, keep on sharpening your skills. That is what I'm getting. Look, we have the king of swords energy. King of swords energy is also very logical. We have this page of swords energy that is also very like intelligent. It's about communication, it's about intelligence, it's about ideas. So keep on working on that, keep on working on your ideas, keep on working on your work. If you're doing, I don't know, I'm getting for many of you, you might be doing some like a project or something, or maybe thesis, or maybe PhD, something very like high things, you know. You're very intelligent people, and you know, with this four of, we are ending this you know, this cards with this four of wands, and four of wands, they are celebrating together. Okay, you will be celebrating the success with other people. So right now your future self is encouraging to keep on doing your work, keep on learning, keep on be you know, be resilient, be determined. You will make it through. Don't try to give up. Okay, maybe sometimes we feel like giving up because there's so much to learn, there's so much to do, and you're like, you might be feeling that you're missing out on people, or you're not communicating with them, or you're like you're not experiencing things, or maybe something, maybe you're feeling like you're missing out on things. But your future self is saying, just keep on going on this path, because eventually you will be able to succeed. That is what I feel like. They will be celebrating the success. You will be if you're working on your stability, your security in your career, keep on working, keep on polishing your gifts, keep on learning new things. For you guys, it's about learning new things. I don't know why. This will help you a lot. Maybe if you want to take, if you're already in a career, if you want to like enhance it, maybe you can just go and do an online course. It will help you a lot. Okay, because these all things, right now, if you're doing that right now, it's like your future self is saying you will be celebrating soon. You will be celebrating something very soon, success, or maybe if you have been planning, like if you have been working to reach a higher position, you will be getting there. If you've been working for some government, okay, I don't know, I'm getting that government vibe also. If you have been working on some like some exams, or to get into the government jobs, maybe you will be getting that also. So there is this, yeah, this vibe about learning, gathering information, studying, working, you're like hardworking, very hardworking people, very self-disciplined, like waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then working, and but sometimes you feel very stressed, or sometimes you feel very like, wow, what I'm doing, or you might be questioning what I'm doing, why my life like this, you know, because you have been working, you have been like just learning, and you feel very like, you feel like you're missing out on things. It's okay, it's okay to feel like that. It's okay, just sit with it. And when you're feeling very, very stressed, just meditate, just dance, just celebrate your life, because yes, there is celebration coming soon. There is like, your future self is saying, yeah, your hard work will be paying off. You will be celebrating with your friends, you'll be dancing with your friends, and yeah, so don't worry about it. That is what I feel like. Okay, so if you're preparing for exams, just keep on working, guys. Yeah, you will. For me, for some of you, I'm getting this message like, for preparing for government exams. Yeah, you will reach there, you will get it, you will get it. You will be celebrating soon. Okay, so, and at the same time, if you're studying too much, just be healthy also. Try to eat like good foods. That is also your future self saying. Maybe for some of you, you're not doing while studying, we tend to eat a lot. Okay, if you're doing that, so it's time to be healthy, like add more fruits in your diet. So that is also important, but you will reach there. Okay. Learn. Look at that. Learn. A little nudge. It's now your turn. Put on your thinking cap. It's time to learn. So keep on learning. That is what I feel like for you guys. The keyword is also learn. Keep on learning. Keep on evolving. Even if you're not preparing for exam, maybe in your career you need to like do some online courses that will help you. Maybe that is what your future self wants you to know. That will take you higher. And for others, it's like learning. It's like in your work, you're learning a lot of things. Like you're spiritually growing, spiritually evolving. Just keep on doing that. You're doing very good. Okay. Yeah, creative. For some of you it's very creative thing. Maybe you are learning to trust your intuition. Maybe you're learning to trust yourself. Maybe you're believing in yourself. Maybe you're believing in your own creativity, right? Or for some of you it can be like you're very intelligent people. At the same time you will be doing something very creatively, something very unique. Okay. That will be like, people will be like, wow, this is so unique, this is so good. I am getting that vibe also. Like if you're preparing something, if you're doing some like PhD also, it will be very creative. It will be very different from other people, something very different, because we can be creative in any field, right? So yeah, that is also I'm getting here. So just do something that makes you happy. If this is making you happy, if this is your goal, just go for it. Don't think that you're missing out on things, because you're not. At the end you will be very successful. At the end you will be celebrating your life. Okay. So just keep on working, keep on doing what you're doing. That is what I feel like. That is the encouragement from your future self to you guys, because eventually 4 of Wands energy is the end, right? So yeah, celebrations. Okay, bye bye, take care, group 1. Group number 2 with this aventurine. If you have selected this, then this is your reading with me. So let's see if your first card. Oh my god, Clock of Wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. Wow, this is a confirmation. So if you have some intuitive nudges right now, if you're thinking something will happen, yes, that's gonna happen. I feel like that because your knowledge is immense. Okay. You know everything, guys. Your intuition is on point. That is what your future self wants you to know, that what you're thinking will manifest in the future. If you're thinking about certain thing, if you have like, yeah, sometimes we feel it like in our heart that this will happen, this is gonna happen, and but you are not but it hasn't manifested yet. At the same time we feel like it. Yeah, this is what is gonna happen, this is what my life will be like, I'm gonna get this job, or yeah, I'll make it. If you're thinking like that, yes, you will be making it. Okay, what you're thinking, what your intuition is very, very strong. Okay, remember that you have so much of knowledge inside of you. Maybe for some of you, I also feel like you're healers or you're like psychics, I don't know, but definitely spirituality is very important to you guys. Maybe you follow a spiritual practice, or maybe you meditate every day, but definitely whatever field you are in, you're very spiritually gifted. I feel like that you're very spiritually gifted. Your gifts are expanding. So for many of you, I feel like this, you have this gift, but you're very fearful to embrace it. So maybe it's time to do that, embrace it, because this will help you in making decisions. When our intuition is strong, we make better decisions in our life. So it's good. Just don't be scared of your own gifts. Okay, maybe in the past people told you that this is not good. Sometimes our society tells that. So it's time to listen to your heart. Or maybe for some of you, it can also be this, that you know what you want to do in your life, your career, you know where you want to go, but at the same time there are people around you who are saying that this job might not work, this course might not work. If you're in that phase, I would say it's time to listen to your intuition. It's time to listen to your heart. Yeah, there will be people who will be telling you, who are experienced, and they will be giving you like different advice. But at this point of time with this card, I kind of feel like that your higher self wants you to know that it's time to listen to yourself. It's time to listen to your intuition, because you're the correct one, not them. Okay, and with this Om mantra, pray. If you are like if you believe in Shiva Bhagwan, like Lord Shiva, just keep on working with him, because he is with you and he is giving you signs, and you know it. Whenever you see some signs, if you see like some signs, and what you think at that time, that is your answer. Okay, remember that. Don't overthink about anything. At the instant, if you see some bird, at the instant what you're feeling, that is important. Okay, that might be your answer. Okay, so sometimes we miss all these things, but definitely your future self is saying that you need to listen to yourself. What you are thinking, what is your intuition telling you? Listen to it. This is your answer. You don't want to listen to other people's opinions, because everything is within yourself. Okay, with this clock of wisdom, and at the same time, you need to connect with Mother Earth. Gaia, I'm getting. Go out, hug a tree, or if you have a plant, speak to plants. It's very therapeutic, right? Just talk to plants. It's very good. Like, I feel like that. You just talk to birds. People. There will be people who will be telling you, "Are you crazy or something?" It's okay. Don't care about them. Just talk. Just do what makes you happy. That is very important. Your future self, I feel like that your future self wants you to know that, to do childish things, to be happy in the nature, to be happy like a child. To be happy like a child is such a blessing, because it doesn't happen. So it's important to be happy like a child. That is what I feel like, that just be happy like a child. I also wonder, when we are a child, we are so happy. We don't have tension, stress. As we grow up, it's like so tough. Sometimes we feel like it's tough, or it's because of other people we feel like it, or it's because other people tell that you're like, you can't do this childish things anymore because you're a grown up. It's important to do what your heart says. Yeah, okay, just go with your heart. I have to say that. Okay, so let's see. What your future self? Encouraging messages from the future self. Okay. Oh, we got this for group number 1 also. This is 10 of Wands energy. For you, I feel it's like a completion of a cycle. You have been working on something. If you have been working on something, yes, your hard work is going to pay off. I feel like that. And for many of you, I'm getting this crystal. Maybe you need to use some crystals for protection, or maybe you need to use aventurine. Okay. Or maybe you will be working with crystals in the future. I don't know, but definitely crystals for you guys. I didn't feel that for group number 1, but for you guys, I'm getting that crystal. I'm seeing this crystals is like, maybe you need to have some crystals in your altar or something like that. It will help you. Okay. For you guys, I feel like I have feeling that for you guys, if you have been working on something, things are very slow. For you guys, you feel like things are very slow. You have been working, you have been disciplined, but things are not moving the way you want. Okay. For some of you, I feel like that. They are saying everything will be okay. Your future self is saying everything will be okay. You will be able to reap your rewards. Okay. So keep on working. That is also. Look at that. Yeah, completion of a cycle. Look, as the cat is like removing the black and it's like white in color. Wow, look at that. You have, yeah. And the next is the 9 of Cups. Wow, sorry, 9 of Pentacles. It's not 9 of Cups. Yeah, I'm okay. Lovers, and we have Queen of Wands energy. Okay, so let's keep it anyways. Okay, I'm getting, and one more card flew. It's let me take it for you guys. Oh, wait, so sorry for that. You got a lot of extra cards, and the last card here is 10 of Pentacles. Oh, okay, you're completing a cycle. Okay, for many of you, you have been doing a lot of inner work. I'm getting, like, you're free. I'm getting this vibe. Look, this cat is like removing the black, like the mask is like, you are going to be true to yourself. That is what I feel like, that you're not going to be maybe in the past you did things for other people, like they said you something and you will like be doing that. Your future self is saying in the future you will be like living your own truth. You will be honest with yourself, like you will be living a free life. That is what I'm getting, a life full of freedom, where you will be listening to your heart, following your dreams. You will not be very stressed about the things I'm getting. Yeah, look at that Nine of Cups energy. This person is like floating freely. He's not stressed. This cat is not stressed, right? So I'm getting that vibe. You're going to be that kind of people who will be enjoying things, who will be loving things. Like I feel you will if you're working very hard now, I feel you will be getting a lot of relaxation time in the future for you guys. You're going to be very independent souls, I'm getting. You'll be making your decision by yourself. You will be not afraid to make decisions. And for many of you, you might be with a partner who will love you, who will care for you. That is also I'm getting. So if you're single, definitely I see someone coming into your life, making your life very beautiful. But this relationship is not going to be the one where we are sacrificing things. You know, sometimes in relationship we tend to sacrifice a lot, but no, you will be very independent. You will be making your decisions. And if someone is not in your vibe, or if you feel like that you cannot do the things you actually want to do, I feel you will not be in that relationship because you're listening to your heart, guys. So in the future, your future self is saying that you're going to live an amazing life. I don't know, that is what I feel from this. Like with this 10 of Pentacles, we have 9 of Cups, like wishes coming fulfilled. Look at this cat, look at these two cats, they are relaxing. Oh, they're not worried, they're not stressed, they're just relaxing. They have built an empire. This cat has built an empire. It's like a building and all, and they're just relaxing. Right? That is what I feel like that. Okay, so it's like you are with this 10 and 21, your future self wants you to know that you have completed a major cycle in your life. For some of you, I feel you have seen a little bit of success also, right? So your future self wants you to know that appreciate that success. Okay, celebrate that success. It's important to celebrate your own hard work. Sometimes it's important to appreciate, sometimes we don't appreciate ourselves, right? We appreciate other people for their hard work, but sometimes we can't see this 10 of Cups. I'll just keep it here. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so sometimes we don't appreciate ourselves. So your future self wants you to know that it's time to appreciate yourself, your hard work. Okay, and yeah, you're going to live a very free life. I'm getting very life full of freedom, where you will be able to do things you want to do. Okay, with this white, for white is like free flowing energy, for many of you, you're completing a cycle. You're entering a new cycle where you will be in your own power. You will be making decisions by yourself. You will not be dependent on anyone else. I feel like that. If you are right now, no, you will be only dependent on your own wisdom, in your own intuition. That is what I feel. You'll be like trusting your intuition and just going with it. You will have enough to give to other people also. That is what I feel like, lot of wisdom. Maybe for many of you, you might be giving this wisdom to other people and making their life easier. But definitely you're meant to, your future self is like, why are you stressing? Why are you worrying about things? You have done such a good job. Appreciate yourself. You will be living the best life. You will be enjoying yourself. You will not worry in the future. You will not be worrying about the things that you're worrying right now. That is what I feel like. If you're worrying about your finances, no, with this 10 of Pentacles, you will not be worrying about your finances. And if you're worrying that whether I'll be in a relationship, in a good relationship, you will not be worrying about that. If you're already married, I see in the future your relationship is going to be like more loving. The person will be like more loving, more caring, more understanding. You will be with that kind of people only. If you're not with these kind of people who are not loving, who are not like kind enough, you will be leaving them behind. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. So yeah, look at this Queen of Wands energy. She is giving food to this to the birds, right? So you will have enough. You will be sharing your wisdom with other people. You will be sharing your wealth with other people. You will be sharing your love with other people. You will be sharing your happiness with other people. And yeah, you're growing spiritually, guys. You're growing spiritually. Your intuition is very, very strong. So what are you doing? Whatever you will do, you will be successful in it. Maybe it's something creative. It will be whatever it is. You will be in your power. That is what I have to say. If you're feeling right now very stressed about something, don't. Your future self is like, no need to stress, everything will be all right. Okay, that is what I feel for group number 2. You're meant to create big things. You're meant to live a very like luxurious life. I don't know why, but I feel like that with these cards coming out. You're meant to travel the world. You're meant to see different cultures. You maybe for many of you, you're very interested in different cultures, and your future self is saying yes, you'll be able to see different culture. You'll be able to go to different parts of the world, enjoy life with your spouse. You'll be in your power. But yes, I feel for many of you in this pile, you have gone through a lot, you have learned a lot of lessons, and I kind of feel like that if in the past you were not so confident about yourself, you were not so proud about yourself, but in the future you will be like very confident about yourself, you will be proud of yourself, you will be giving that wisdom to other people, you will be making other people's life easier, for maybe through your words, through your ideas, however it is, you will be making other people lives easier only, okay. And yeah, so the advice for you right now is like your future self is saying, just trust your instinct, just trust because you are right, okay. Yeah, so if you're planning on a career, something like that, if you feel it from your heart, if you feel like that it's meant for you, that gives you happiness, that gives you this passion to do it, just go for it, because that will make you successful, that will give you the happiness. But definitely if you have I don't know, I feel like some of you have attained some sort of happiness, some sort of success, just appreciate that and keep on doing. And the more you give, the more you receive. So give gratitude to the divine, that is very important. Maybe you need to light a candle and just sit with your spirit guides, or like just light candles to spirit guides, angels, or to God, or something like that. If you believe in it, just do it, because I feel that will be very good for you guys, like giving gratitude to your angels, or writing like a gratitude on your keep a gratitude journal. That will also be very helpful for you guys. But yeah, you're meant to enjoy life. That is what I feel like. Enjoy life, live life. Look at the water element. Your intuition is very strong. Your intuition is very strong. At the same time, you're going to balance like the spirituality and the practicality. That is what I feel. You will be very spiritual, at the same time you will be like enjoying the practical things of our life, like buying luxurious things or something like that. It's okay, like, yeah, that is what I feel for you guys. So what else for my group number 2? This is the last cards from the Fairy Dust Oracle. What are the keywords? Let's see. Oraclance. Yeah, okay, we have this water. So yeah, for many of you, I feel yeah, there might be people, I'm getting this there might be people around you who will be very jealous of your success, because they will be like, what is she doing, what is he doing, they are very lucky or something like that, because you have been working on yourself, your energies are very in high vibe. That's why you will be manifesting things very quickly, and there will be people around you who will be like, wow, what are they doing, why they are so lucky, okay. So maybe you will get you might grasp their energy, so it's important to cleanse yourself, do saging, that is very important. I feel like that. Have spiritual bath, like this yeah, with this card also, you can get that, right? This like cleansing, like lying on a water body, go to ocean, cleanse your energy, or have a spiritual bath. That is very important. So your future self is saying there will be many people who will be jealous of you so you need to protect yourself, okay. But definitely cleanse, it's important. Go when you're in if you go to a beach, you will feel very relaxed. At the same time, your intuition will be very free flowing, okay. That is also important. Go there and yeah, look, travel. Yeah, you're meant to travel. For many of you, you will be traveling. As I said, you will be seeing the world. If you want to travel, if you're manifesting travel, yes, you will do it. You will travel. For many of you, I feel you will be like traveling around the world. For some of you, it can be through your ideas. You will be traveling all over the world. Maybe your YouTube channel. Many people from the different parts of the world will be watching that, or you'll be. So something like that, communication, like internet, through internet you will be famous or something like that. But definitely for many of you, you will be traveling, and for some of you, I feel you will be relocating also. your future self is saying you will be relocating to a place where you will be feeling very relaxed, very calm, very peaceful. That is what I feel like that. So right now your advice from your future self is like, keep on doing what are you doing, if it's in alignment with your heart. Okay, if you're doing something that is you're not feeling passionate about it, that might not be the thing you actually want to do. So you need to do something that you're passionate about, not because someone is saying that this is good, if you're doing that, that will not work out for you guys. Okay, so the advice is just do something that makes you very happy, makes you very passionate, and you are like you're like ready to wake up in the morning and do this, you're like ready to do the things, like that kind of energy. This is very important, and when you're like in that kind of energy, you will have all the success, like very 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 bright, very nice. Financially also you will be very good. I feel like that, good things for you guys. Okay, so bye bye, take care, group number 2. Group number 3, if you choose this carnelian, then this is your reading with me for messages from your future self, encouraging messages from your future self. Okay, faith, humanity, and benevolence. Okay, stay calm, trust the good in yourself and others, see the light in the world. Okay, so for many of you, you might be very okay, so your future self is letting you know that it's time to have faith. I have faith in this world. Maybe you're very stressed about the events that are happening in our world right now because of this corona or pandemic. You're very stressed, or maybe whatever it is. So your future self wants you to know it's time to have the faith in the universe. It's time to have the faith in people. It's time to have faith in humanity. That is what is very important. And as this card says, stay calm, trust the good in yourself and others, see the light in the world. Right now I feel you're in a state where you are not seeing that, like you're like, maybe you're very pessimistic right now, or you don't have any hope right now, you don't know where things are going, you don't know whether this pandemic will end or not, or whether you are going to be stuck forever, like that kind of energy where you are like a little bit pessimistic about things. Yeah, it's okay, because the things are like a little bit not so good. So your future self is saying it's not going to be like a permanent thing, it's temporary. Yeah, we have to deal with this right now, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be permanent. So it's time to have that faith. Okay, it's time to have that faith in the universe. It's time to have the faith in humanity. It's time to be for you guys, I think your future self wants you to know that it's time to meditate. It's time to maybe you're very stressed, or maybe if you're watching like a lot of news media, it's time to take a break from it. I feel like that maybe because of that also we stress a lot, right? Because there is a lot of fake news also, right? That also pops. So don't believe everything you see. That is also I'm getting for you guys. So your future self wants you to know that don't believe every news you see. Okay, so don't stress about it. Okay, so that is very important here. If you're stressing about your world situation right now, don't stress about it. It is not going, this stress will not give you any good. That is what I'm getting. So it's time to be like optimistic about the future, about your future, or maybe you have lost something, maybe you're going through a dark period right now, or whatever it is. I feel you're feeling a little bit of pessimism, so it's time to be optimistic about things are not going to be permanent here, things are temporary, things will change. So have trust in yourself, have trust in humanity. Maybe you are losing that also because of the people, right? So just have faith, and it's time to see the good. It's very difficult in this situation to see the good in things, right? But your future self is saying just see the good in things. That will make your energy calm. Okay, so you will not be feeling so stressed. So it's important for you guys. I feel your future self wants you to know it's time to filter the things. If you're watching a lot of media, or if you're following certain pages who are putting these kind of people who put fear into other people, right, through their words or something, it's time to think what you're seeing. Just what what you watch. It's time to decide on that. If you feel like this is not good for your health, your after watching something, if you're feeling very stressed, what's the use of watching that? That is giving you so much of stress. So it's important you lighten, you just filter it out. So that is very important. Maybe you're watching a lot of news, maybe you're following people who are like giving fear to other people, like they are very pessimistic and the videos are very pessimistic, and because of that you are becoming pessimistic. Or there are people around you who are telling all that negative things that can happen to us or something like that, or that because of that you are feeling very stressed. Yeah, because of the world also we feel stressed. For you guys, I feel like that you want to do something for the world, you want to do something for the humanity, you're very good people, but at the same time this all fear is not helping you. You are also getting into it. Your future self is saying that have faith, believe in this, this shall pass, right? I'm getting that. Yeah, this will go, this will be okay, you'll be okay at the end. So just have faith, okay? I'm getting this lighting candles. When you're feeling very stressed, light a candle, like light your room with candles, play a music, right? Like a meditation music, and just relax, okay? Or just do something that makes you happy, like do some creative things, like pursue some hobbies right now if you're feeling stressed about anything, okay? So it's, and whatever your situation is right now, your future self is telling you to have faith, and the answers are coming, the truth is coming out. With this blue color I feel like that, okay? The truth is coming out. For many others, if you're going through a spiritual phase, it's time to concentrate on your third eye chakra. I'm getting meditate with that, because your third eye chakra is opening up. So your visions, and if you're seeing visions, that might be your answers also. So trust that, trust your own vision, trust your trust your own intuition, okay? That is also important here. Okay, let's see. For many of you, I feel like this you're very feeling trapped in fear, or maybe you're not able to sleep properly at night. So it's important, before sleeping, you don't watch these social media pages, okay? Don't watch something that scares you, watch something that that makes you happy, or just read a book, drink milk. Okay, I don't know, but it's like do something that have a healthy routine. I'm getting, okay? Morning and early, night routine, like have something healthy. Maybe you can play, if you have kids, play with them before sleeping, or read some books that makes you happy, or do something that makes you happy, instead of watching that social media pages that is not so good for your health, that makes you stressed, something like that, okay? So that is very strongly coming here. So let's see what your future self wants you to know for my group number 3. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you're feeling very lonely, you're feeling very trapped, you don't know what to do. For many of you, you might be dealing with your finances also, okay? Your finances might not be good right now, and you don't know what to do. So that can also be a problem, right? Yeah, you don't know, things are not clear. At the same time, I told you to trust your intuition. When we have moon, so it's like the moon energy is saying something to this cat. So it's time to trust your own intuition and have faith right now. Yeah, things are very mysterious, you don't know where this is going, you don't know, you have been struggling, right? Your future self, right now, look at that. Yeah, your future self, look, this is so dark here, the light is coming here also, it's dark, right? The sun is coming, okay? So your future self wants you to know that, right? Yeah, okay, we will end with that. Okay, definitely with this 5, I can see that for many of you, you might be very anxious or depressed also, very feeling lonely. You don't know where this is going, where this world is going, you don't know what to do. For some of you, you might have lost jobs, relationship might not be working properly, or you're feeling very stressed, or maybe it's just a feeling that you have, you're feeling very lack mentality, where you don't know what is going to happen, right? But look at that, you things are very mysterious, but you know it's time to have faith in the universe. It's time to listen to your intuition, because the sun is coming out. You need to, with this Hierophant energy, look at that, they are feeding. this here this cat is feeding the rats, right? So I feel like that. You will be, you will get it. Okay, so if you're feeling, if you have lost a job, maybe you will get a job. Okay, and for many of you, if you're feeling alone in a relationship, if you're single, I see marriage is happening for you guys with this 5 and 10 of cups. Okay, that is also a message. So if you are like, oh no, I will be forever alone, I'm always single, or I will not have anyone in my life, or something like that, if you're thinking, with this 10 of cups and Hierophant, I see you will be marrying someone. Okay, there is a one person in your life, so have faith. That is what is that is the this reading is like pointing on to that only. It's time to have faith, trust your own intuition. It's time, at this point you can't trust your intuition. I know that you're not able to trust your intuition because there's so much of fear inside you, and it's time to let go of the fear. It's time to let go of the past. It's time to let go of that feeling. It's, for many of you, it can be a feeling that you're having, like lack mindset, and when we have this lack mindset, then things manifest that way only. So you need to get out of it. You need to calm your energy. You need to have this faith. You need to put some faith inside you. That is what your future self is saying. Maybe this reading is telling you to do that. Be optimistic, do something that makes you happy, listen to the people that makes you happy, listen to the people that gives you hope, instead of listening to the people that don't give you hope, right? There are people who put so much fear into us, right? It's time to do that. It's time to declutter the social media. I don't know, I'm getting that. It's time to declutter people. If you have friends who are very pessimistic or very negative, and whenever you meet them, they say they're all that negativity, just get out of there. That's not helping you anymore. You just spend some quality time with the people who care for you. Okay, spend your time wisely. That is also I'm getting. Okay, don't watch some I don't know, like watching some things that is not good for you and making yourself feeling trapped. Like, sometimes there was a news on the newspaper that the world is going to end, and my mother used to say the world is going to end now, and she'll be like stressed, and I'm like, why? There's no use of that, right? So it's like, it's important. I don't know why I said that, but that is what I'm feeling. Like, you are like over stressing about things, like, oh, the world is gonna end, I'm not gonna live my life, or my relationship will never be successful, I'll not get that money, you have that kind of thinking right now. I'm getting, because of the status of the world. It's okay. We will feel. I also have felt like, why things are not getting good. Yeah, we have that. It's okay, but at the same time, you don't have to always do that. Maybe for you, it's like your future self is saying that it's time to let go of that. Let go of that energy and come into more optimistic energy. Have faith, have more trust in yourself, have more trust in your future, right? Have trust that yes, you will be able. It's important to have trust, right? Take a journal and say, use law of attraction, like, or if you don't want to use law of attraction, just write things like, I want to do this, I'm doing this, I am having a very successful relationship, like that. Manifest things for you guys. Okay, I don't know, but that is what I feel like. Why there is so much stress? This is what I feel like. Your current energy is like feeling lack, feeling stressed, that no one is going to take you from this underground. They're in this underground, like no one will come to feed them, to give them the money. You will be able to overcome these all things. There are people, there is sunlight coming here. Okay, so trust in your spirituality, trust in yourself, trust in your intuition. You will have enough. You will have enough. Okay, you will have a life that will be happy with this 10 of cups and Hierophant. I'm getting that. For many of you, you need to, okay, maybe for some of you there is like this religious belief that is very outdated. You need to work on that. Maybe this religious belief is not helping you, or maybe that is putting you back on the backwards. Okay, so it's time to evaluate that also. What are your beliefs? Maybe do you have certain limited beliefs about yourself that is not making you come forward in your life? What is it? So that is what your future self is saying. There is so much of potential, there is so much of happiness coming. Okay, for many of you, you are maybe you are in a relationship and things are not going good. So what is it? you need to change, right? That is also important. Sometimes in a relationship there might be lack of communication or something. So what is it if that you need to change in a relationship so it can be good? Or if it's very toxic, is it time to get out of that relationship? Whatever it is, you know, you need to make your choice wisely, I'm getting. And with this you need to change your energies. Like, it's time to trust the universe, it's time to trust the God, it's time, okay, trust spirit, okay, trust your angels, okay. So that is very important. It's time to have a spiritual practice. It's like as I said, light candle, sit with yourself, meditate, you will get your answers because it's inside you. With this Hierophant, maybe for many of you, you are falling, like, I don't know, I'm getting this, maybe with some of the religious beliefs you're following, maybe that is because of that you're not able to move forward. That is something that is some of you have it in your mind. Your parents might have taught you, and this is not helping you in some way, okay. Maybe because of that you're not moving forward, okay. Some limited beliefs I'm getting, some beliefs, some traditions that is not some beliefs that is not good for you. It's time that is very outdated. You need to come out, like, little bit. It's time to be little bit more open-minded, I'm getting that also, okay. So yeah, but for many of you, if you have this this idea that you will never be getting married, never be having a beautiful like home life, I see you will have that with this 10 of cups and Hierophant. Yes, you will get married to a person that will love you, that will care for you. You're not going to be in this energy anymore, like a 5 of Pentacles, like feeling alone, feeling depressed. No, you're getting out. But you need to trust in your own power, you need to trust in your intuition. It's time to have faith, it's time to get into this more positivity, okay. Meditate, guys, okay. That is what I feel for group number 3. What else? Celebrate. Yeah, the time is right to shout out loud, don't hesitate. Oh yeah, look, with this celebrate and this 10 of cups energy also. For yeah, for some of you, I definitely feel things are not so bad, but you are like overthinking, and you're like, oh, what for this card you'll be like, what's there to celebrate? You know, there's nothing. Like, the world is like this, the world is like that, what I'm gonna celebrate? You know, even you, if you have something to celebrate, you will not be celebrating because you are thinking about things, you know. So it's time to celebrate. It's not that you have to have a very big event to celebrate. You can celebrate small events. Like, you can just celebrate for like to be here, right? You can celebrate that, to be alive today, right? So that is also important. For with the celebrate card, we have, as I said, with this 5 and 10, in the future you will be getting married, you will be having celebrations. I'm getting that also. Have faith. For many of you, I don't know why this pile is like I'll never get married, no one is there for me, I'm going to die single or something like that. If it's like there, I'm not laughing at you guys, I'm so sorry for, you know, sometimes I'm not judging anyone here. When I say I just do it, I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, it's like if someone is like thinking I'm going to be single forever. No, you are not. With this 10 and 5, yes, you will get married to a person who will love you, right? So like, you're losing right now. For this pile is like, I have lost all my hope, there is nothing for me here. This kind of energy is there right now for some of you. I feel like that. It's time to get out of it, okay. Get out of it, have faith, and believe that you will be able to achieve your dreams, your goals. You are able to. I feel for many of you, it's like love here, that you are like feeling that you're feeling you're alone or something like that. You have lost faith because of maybe your past relationship. But there are people who love you. There is if you are single, definitely I see someone, you know. I see with this 5 and 10, I have to say here, okay. There is celebration coming here. Yeah, look at that. Trust. Breathe in, breathe out, let go of doubt. There is so much of doubt. For many of you, it can be your own self-doubt, or maybe you're sabotaging yourself. You're getting in your own way because of your, I have to say, you're a little bit pessimistic with this reading. If you're resonating, you're a little bit pessimistic about things right now. It's time to trust. It's time to have faith in yourself, in your own creativity, in your own dreams, in your own goals, in your own life. Think, yes, think positive. Like, yes, I'll be able to manifest a person in my life who will love me for who I am, right? And I'll be able to marry this person. If you want to have kids, I'll be having kids with this person, or something like that. Just be optimistic. Right now you need to be optimistic. You need to filter out the things that is not good for you, decluttering social media, or if your house is messing, do some cleaning. Okay, that is what is important. And trust in the universe, trust in yourself. That is what I have for group number 3. That is what your future self is like. Why this is like, why you're thinking like this? Things are going to be very good in the future. Why you're not seeing the light is there at the end of the tunnel? So you need to cross that tunnel, right, to see the light. If you are on the other side, how you will see the light? So it's time to cross the tunnel. Don't be afraid of that tunnel, right? So that is what your future self wants you to know. Okay, bye bye, take care, group number 3.